Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I will be showing you how to configure your SmartV settings so that you can have SmartV events be triggered before the user logs out of the SmartV portal. So here I have set up my SmartV portal by going to User Access. I switched on SmartV, and then I configured these settings. You can choose which object the user will be logging in through on Salesforce. So I chose Contact, I linked the contact ID, and then the email. I don't have any conditions, so I'm allowing any of my contacts to log in via their email. I set up two-factor authentication so that there will be a SmartV code that is sent to their Salesforce object and also sent to their email where they need to authenticate and verify that code, and then they are logged in to the portal. I did not include a profile page, registration, or any parameters, which is just fine, but you can add those if you prefer. And now I'm going to show you how to enable actions to take place before logout. But first, I'm going to start by putting in a logout button. So I'm going to drop in a primary button, or you can use secondary. It's really just about the difference between those two buttons is the style of them. So now I'm going to go to settings. I'll call it log out. And then interactivity, I'm going to configure the on-click action. And I want to do like a message. So what I'm going to do is this button is actually just going to generate a message. So let's do show message / toast confirmation. I'm going to call it are you sure? Are you sure you want to log out? And then this is where they confirm or they cancel. So when they click confirm, I'm going to have the action be that they log out. So the user access is turned on, and this will be SmartV logout. If you do not want them to have a confirmation message to log out, then that is fine, and you would just put that same action on the actual button. Cool. And then I'm going to apply that. So now our button is set, and I'm going to create a action so that once they are during or right before logout, we're going to update the contact. So I'm going to configure, and we see that we have the update contact action created, where it's going to update the contact record where the contact ID is equal to that SmartV ID that is logged in. And then I mapped last name to last name, first name to first name, and email to email. And this will allow, this is just the functionality of my portal, is that my users are able to update their contacts. And that contact will be updated as right before that logout takes place. So I'm going to say update contact. And then also, so we can see other things happen, I'm going to make it so that the strip is going to turn like a different color. That's a pretty color. Apply. Awesome. So right before it logs out, it will update the contact. Let me just delete this because that's not what's going to happen. It's going to update the contact and then turn it red, and then it will log out. So let's preview this. I'm going to save, preview. Continue. So now it's giving us the code 17102. All right, so we are now logged in. Let me update this first name. All right, so now I'm going to click log out. It's going to ask if I am sure. I'm going to show you how it looks like when I click cancel. And with that click, it takes us back to our portal. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I click confirm. You can see that it is changed. It is logging out. And now it's logged out. And let's update our contact to see that the contact was updated to Patrick. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you and that you can use this functionality to really expand your portals for your customers and clients. Thank you for watching.